Hi everybody, how is everybody doing today? Hi Harshit, hi Sandhya, hi Aniket. Hello everyone. Guys, welcome to this amazing session where we are going to discuss about graphs. Actually, this is a complete Menti class. So we are going to have a full Menti, right? So let's see how many of you are good at graphs, right? This is one of your chapters. So we are going to do it today. So I think at the end of this session, you'll be good enough for exams after this chapter, right? So for this chapter, actually, what I'm talking about. Hi Yashika, kaise ho bachche? Good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. I want more and more people. Where are the students? Guys, this is going to be a complete Menti quiz. Hello everybody. Hello guys. Hi guys. Hi everybody. Hi everyone. So guys, this is going to be a complete Menti. Right, please like this session, share it, and please share it with your friends, right? On the group as well. I'm great, and this is our first class after New Year, right? Hi, Prince. Okay. Okay, you are on these chapters. So guys, it will be good for you, Sangha. It will be good for you, right? Great. Chalo bachon. So yes, guys, this is going to be a complete Menti class. So please like the session, subscribe it, and send it to your friends so that more and more people can join. So this is going to be a complete Menti marathon. I hope you are all aware about it. Hi, Steve Wald. Hello. Guys, please tell me your names as well, right? हाँ जी काफी मजा आएगा तो गाइस बहुत जल्दी से हम मूव करने वाले हैं उसकी तरफ बट आई वांट मोर एंड मोर पीपल सो दैट बिकॉज वी हैव लॉट ऑफ गुड क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं और उन सारे क्वेश्चंस को करने के लिए आई नीड मोर एंड मोर पीपल टू सो दैट एक कंपटीशन बहुत अच्छा हो so guys please ask right you can ask on the telegram group right so that people join okay guys let's start okay without waiting anymore so guys as I told you 18 questions और आपको जो कार्टेशियन प्लेन एसेट्रा इन सबका आइडिया है गाइस सबको आइडिया है thanks and tell me about your new year guys how was it also tell me about your new year my name is Rohan underscore maths search it you'll get it okay before that I would also like to tell you about something which is coming to you is Umama ma'am's 5 days revision thing fast track revision on light reflection and human eye which is going to start from today. If you want to join it, it is open for you. If you want to know much more about it, you can call on the number given in the screen or you can directly mail us about it, okay? Or you can directly join from your app. So this is what we have, okay? And my sessions are also coming up tomorrow. कल हम मेरा जो सेशन है वो है direct and inverse variations pe it will be a mini Menti class and then after that on Wednesday I'm going to have a complete Menti on direct and inverse variations. The timings are 5 guys, so I'm going to have my YouTube lectures at 5. So all of you ready? Everybody ready? Shall we go for the quiz also? Quiz की तरफ चले. Hi Shagga, welcome. किसका आइडिया होगा? I am just telling you how was your new year guys? Was it good? Did you enjoy? Ready? चलो ठीक है. Okay guys, without waiting any more time, let's go for the quiz. Okay guys, so as I told you, I have 18 questions for you and please be ready. Okay. So most of the questions you can do without even lifting your pen, but in case you use it, in case you have to make a diagram, please use your pen, right? Keep your pen and paper close. Okay, let's start. We are going to start in a minute. The code is 2576725. Only one person joined right now till now, right guys? Please join more and more, right? You can like the session, subscribe the channel, and you can share this session with your friends because it is still not has started. So share कर दो बच्चों. You ask your friends to join and revise the complete chapter of graphs, right? So all these questions from all these fields are there. Okay, only 5 people. We need more. So guys, the code is 2576725. Guys, please notify on the Telegram group as well. Okay, give me a moment. Let me notify that. Okay, let me notify. Okay, so I'm notifying here. Okay guys, I am waiting for more and more people to join. We have only 11 people. तो इसमें तो क्या मेंटी करेंगे? So guys, let's ask everyone around. And I'm waiting for more and more people, guys. So so we have only 10 people, and the code is 2576725. 2576725, guys. The code is 2576725. Okay. So we are waiting for a few more people to join. Till then, guys, please tell me how was your. Okay, you are the laughing emoji. Okay, yeah, we are going to start. Okay, you are the circuit. Where is the circuit here? I don't know. I can't see a circuit. Now we are going to start. People are joining. People are joining, right? So there is a strawberry here, right? So the code is 2576725. 2576725. Hi Nageshwar, please join. Right, we are right now having a quiz on graphs. A lot of more people are joining. So I'm waiting for 3-4 minutes more, and then we are going to start it. Okay, then we are going to start it, because these are 18 questions. You can do them in a flick of your eye muscle, right? You can do that very quickly. Hi Rameshwar. Okay, you're Rameshwar. Okay, great. Okay guys, so I'm aiming for 20 people. As soon as we get them, we are going to start. Okay. Yeah. Just wait for like 1 or 2 minutes, then we are going to start. The code is 2576725. Right. Until then, guys, if you want to revise anything, if you want to see a graph, anything, you can do that, right? I'm aiming for 20. Right now we have 15. Okay, guys. No worries. Let's start. Okay, no worries. Let's start. So I have given you the first question, guys. Please check on it. So look at the graph and answer. Data was collected on students' typing rate, and graph was drawn as shown below. Approximately, right? Remind, right? Take the note of this word, approximately. How many words had this student typed in 30 seconds? So you have to find out a reasonable answer, right? Looking at the options, which is the most suited one. It should not be exact. It can be approximate, because the gap between each number is 10, right? So you can only approximate that number. Okay, so almost everybody has done that. We are still waiting, like, let's take 20 seconds more, and then we'll be done with this. Guys, this graph, what is this called, right? Can you tell me in your chat box, what is this square of these small squares? What is this called? Hi Animesh, how are you? Right. So what are you saying? How was my New Year? How was my day? The day was actually good, Animesh. How about you? So guys, 28 people have, right. So 8 people have answered 28. That is right. So if you look at this graph, you can actually understand that it is more close to 28 than any of these options, right? Just over 25, right? Okay, let's look at the leaderboard as well. How many of you are puzzled with this question? Okay, so a lot of people have answered. Let's look at this. So Tiger was the fastest. Guys, please tell me what's your name, right? The Tiger one. Hi Krish, hi Ashika, India, Bender, Centipede, Anurag, Sarjeet, and Rameshwar. Okay, quite awesome. That's nice. Okay, guys, let's. If you want to look at this question, that was very easy. You just have to check the graph. Let's go for the next question, guys. I want everybody to score there, right? We are less people, but still we want everyone. Guys, these questions are easy. Which of the following graph represents the table below? You just look at the line, right? And also the options. Look at the option. Should I show you the option some other way? Let's look at the option somewhere else, right? Look at these options, guys. This is the representation. You have to check the correct answer. A, B, C or D. Look at these numbers and then only answer. Right? The graph is not very clear there. So please answer by looking here. A, B, C or D. Just look at the line. You'll get the idea. Look at the table and then look at the line. Okay. I hope many of you have done well there. Still left with few seconds. So there's Daksh. Okay guys, so the times is up. So how many of you have done the right answer? Only 5 of you have done the right answer, guys. What happened with this question? Was it difficult, guys? Was it difficult? Tell me. Did you find it difficult, guys? What happened? 5 of you did it right? Okay, tell me, guys, what happened? Anybody? Done. Great. Okay, so 5 of you were right. It's exactly that. Let me show you how this question is done, right? How this question would be done. Let me show you. Very easy question. Guys, just look at the length and the perimeter, right? So here we have the length, right? On the horizontal axis, we have the length, right? And on the vertical axis, we have the perimeter. So as you can see, the length is increasing at the same time, the perimeter is also increasing with the length. So it's for 1, it is 4, then 8, then 12, then 16. So anyway, it is going to be a linear graph like this, okay? Because it is increasing with time. Yeah, the code, I'm going to tell you the code. The graph was very clear, guys. You have to look at here, right? Okay, let me show you. So D was the right answer. Let me show you the code as well as let's go for the next question and look at the leaderboard too. Okay. So the code is 2576725. We are still left with like 16 questions. Okay, so we have like, okay, so I don't know the name of the person, so I'll call him Tiger. Tiger baby. Hi, okay, Sangya and Rameshwar. Again, there is another tiger, Animesh, Krish, Sarjeet, Yashika, and this robot, and then there's Yuvraj. Okay, guys, let's go for the. I'm coming in the class. Yeah, of course. Okay, let's go for the question, guys. Let's go for the next question. Guys, बिल्कुल आंखें खुली रखना. ठीक है? सिर्फ स्क्रीन के लिए. Otherwise, जो distraction उनसे बचना है. आपको H point का coordinate बताना है, guys. Find out where is the H point and find the coordinate of it. Sorry for this. For the H point, guys. For the H point. क्या हुआ बेटा? मेंटी को लेकर कोई इश्यू आ रहा है? Guys, please go again, refresh. You can refresh. Go to the menti.com. The code is 2576725 and you will be there. Okay. Okay, 19 people have already answered. Everybody has voted and the answer is C, 5-1. Very good, guys. So 15 of you have answered this question. So you are going to get too many questions like this. I'll try to confuse you and you have to come out of every situation, right? Very good, Sadhana. Let's look at the leaderboard again. अभी भी leaderboard में कुछ खास बदलाव नहीं हुए हैं. The leaderboard can go anywhere. So guys, okay. So Sugar is there. Tiger Baby is there. Shangya. Okay, so there is going to be little change. Animesh was the fastest, so he went up the list. अभी देखते हैं आगे क्या चल रहा है. Okay, let's go for the next question, guys. Guys, अभी तक मुझे किसी ने चैट में नहीं बताया. जो स्क्वायर ग्राफ हम देख रहे थे, जिसके अंदर बहुत छोटे-छोटे स्क्वायर्स थे, उनका नाम क्या है? उस ग्राफ को क्या बोलते हैं? Can you tell me in the chat box? Anybody? What is that graph called? Then we are going for the next question. What is that graph called? वो जो स्क्वायर्स वाले ग्राफ है, जैसे बी हाइव जैसे वो ग्राफ है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Anybody? Tell me in the chat box, guys. Tell me in the chat box. Waiting for the answers. Cartesian plane. Very good. Very good, Sangya. Very good. Now we are up for the next question. So Sangya saved you all, right? No, I just asked. Guys, comparison of parts of a whole may be done by which of these graphs? Comparison of parts of a whole may be done by which of these graphs or charts? No, I didn't say anything much. I only asked Chandrasekhar that what is that graph called? So Sangya answered it right. It is called the Cartesian plane. Okay. Now answer this one. Everybody has voted and now we have like 9 correct answer. Very good, guys. So if it is a pie chart, you can actually find out the comparison of the parts by the whole, right? Exactly. Let's look at who. So we can also understand it little better if you ask. So guys, there is a complete change. So Shagar has gone up, Sangya has gone to the top, Tiger Baby, Sarjeet, Shagar, Animesh, Sangya. Okay, there are 2 Sangya Jhas. What is happening, guys? Krish, Chitra, Aradhya and Yashika. What is happening, guys? What you are doing? Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, guys, that's what I was telling you. It's very easy, right? So I was telling you about a pie chart. Those who are not aware of it, it's simply, guys, just try to understand about pie charts. Give me a minute, huh? So guys, when we draw a pie chart, right? So you can actually see out of whole how much a single quantity or single part, right, is actually taking the place in the circle. And you can find out the comparison out of the total. Just like your pizza. If 4 people are dividing it, you can say, right, each one got equal. Okay, and somebody took only this. You understand he took the smallest part in the pizza, right? So that's how pie charts work. Let's go for the question, guys. Let's go for the next question and continue the Menti. Chalo bachcho. Okay, your first question is your brother. Great. Okay, so guys, now we are at the 5th question and we are waiting for this. So guys, you are going to come out with, so guys, the point X is the dot, okay? In the given graph, the coordinate of point X are, the dot is the X point, okay? The dot is the X point. Yeah, this Menti is going to be very easy. So guys, the competition become tough. So those who are going to answer fast are going to be there on the list. Otherwise, you are going to perish from the list, okay? So you have to be fast as well as correct. But I think in this quiz, fastness will matter. Okay, so guys, please answer it right. You can see the figure, right? There is a dot which is point X. You have to find out what are the coordinates of point X. Okay, great, guys, great. So 10 of you have answered it right. C is the right answer. Everybody was saying, Shagar was saying B. Why? Okay, let's look at the leaderboard. It's very simple, guys. The X distance comes first. Okay, so on the X axis it was 3 units away, and on the Y axis it was 2 units away. So therefore the total the Cartesian form was 3, 2. Right, the coordinates were 3, 2. So Sagya Jha, Uttarakhand, Tiger Baby, and Chagar, Sangya, again Aradhya, Krish, Sarjeet, Anshu, Yuvraj, and again Tiger. Okay, guys, let's go for the next question. अगले क्वेश्चन पे मैं आ गया हूं and this is the 6th question out of 18 questions. So we are going to go a long way. In which of the following quadrants does the point 36 lie? Guys, you have to be very fast. I think you might be doing it in 1 second or 0.1 second, right? 0.6 seconds or something like that, in fraction of seconds. It's such an easy question. I could see like in 15 seconds, all of you might have answered this. Jaldi karte hain, guys. Let's see how many of you are. Okay, still somebody is left answering. Okay. बहुत easy question hai, guys. Everybody has voted. Yeah, 9 of you are right. So the point 36 will lie in the first quadrant. Okay. Very good, very good. So you know what is a quadrant? Everybody knows what is a quadrant, right? So guys, there is a Cartesian plane, and the whole Cartesian plane is divided into four parts. When it is divided into four parts, you can easily understand where does the name quadrant came, because you're dividing something in four parts. So this is quad for four, and then go anti-clockwise, one, two, three, and four. These are the quadrants. Okay. So anti-clockwise, right? And the point 36 will lie here somewhere, right, in the first quadrant. Okay, let's look at the leaderboard. Leaderboard की तरफ देखते हैं. Guys, after this session, I think your complete chapter will be revised because there are too many questions, right? ये क्या हुआ, कुछ बच्चों का गलत हो गया, ये तो गलत नहीं होना चाहिए था. It was the first quadrant. So yes, I will be Aradhya, Sarjeet, Yuvraj, Anshu, then Chagar, Tiger, Sangya again, and Tripti again. Very good, guys. Let's go for the next question. अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ जा रहे हैं हम लोग. 7th क्वेश्चन पे आ गए हैं, and I have started the countdown. In which of the following quadrants does the point -7 and -1 lie? Look at the question very carefully, guys. It is -7, -1, right? The minus is in the first line and the 7 is in the second line. Okay, so don't make it wrong. Don't lose that minus. Okay, so this is -7, -1. Where would it lie? Where would it lie, guys? Tell me. So you have to look at the point and tell me the quadrant. That is what we have. So guys, I took all the concepts of the chapter and framed questions over it, or you might get these questions somewhere else also. But yes, it covers the entire chapter. Okay, you will not be left with anything which is left in the chapter. So 11 people have marked it right. Very, very good. Let's see what is the position of the leaderboard. So guys, if the x is negative, y is negative, it is going to be the third quadrant only, right? Okay, so there is sudden change in this list also, और बहुत सारे change के बाद संज्ञा again, Aradhya, baby, Yuvraj, Sajit, Tiger, Sangya, Tripti, Krish, and Ansu. Very good, guys. Very good. Let's go for the next question. Next question की तरफ हम आ गए. 8th question पे हैं, guys. Be prepared, right? Again, a similar kind of question. In which of the following quadrants does the point 2 minus 3 lie? 2 minus 3 lie, right? 2 comma minus 3. Be quick, be quick, be correct, and get this leaderboard right away from anybody. Okay, so everybody voted like in 10 seconds, everybody got the right answer. And most of you got it wrong, right? 7 only got it right. So guys, you can see x is positive, y is negative. So how can you mark 1, 2, or 3? Guys, look at this first of all. Okay, let me show you. I think there is, because most of you did it wrong, so I think I should explain this to you. So guys, when we draw a quadrant, right? So here we have plus and plus, right? The x is plus and the y is plus. Here the x is negative, but the y is positive. Here everything is negative, and here the x is positive and y is negative. So therefore, the correct answer would be the fourth quadrant. Why did you do it wrong? चलो देखते हैं. Hi Akshay, join the quiz Akshay. Go to menti.com, put the code 2576725, and let's look at the leaderboard, because you have still the game, right? We have left with like 10 questions still. Okay, बहुत सारे बच्चों का ये गलत हुआ, और ये क्यों गलत हुआ मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Guys, can you explain why you got it wrong? Aradhya, Sagya, Sarjeet, Tiger, Tripti, Tiger again, Yuvraj, Sangya, Krish, and Anshu. So this was the fourth quadrant, right? Let's go for the next question, guys. फिर से उसी टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान से करना बच्चों, ध्यान से करना. So now the x is negative, y is positive. Where would this lie? Which quadrant, guys? In which of the following quadrant does the point Q lie? Look at the point and answer it very, very fast. I want everybody to answer this very quickly, because guys, we have already talked a lot about it. We are doing the fourth question based on the same concept. और गलत नहीं करना है. Very easy questions, but do it fast. Everyone voted and the correct answer is 13 people got it right. Let's look at the leaderboard. The second quadrant, exactly guys. In the second quadrant, X is negative, Y is positive. Okay, Tiger and Tiger Baby got it. Okay, so Aradhya, Sangya, same, right? Similar thing, right? Let's go for the next question. Question number 10. Very, very keen, right? You should be very careful. The abscissa of a point is its distance from the... So guys, what is called an abscissa, right? You know about it. And what is it? It's the distance from what? X-axis, Y-axis, none of these, or origin. The abscissa of a point is its distance from... So there are two things in the coordinate, the abscissa and the ordinate, right? So abscissa is actually the x coordinate. So you have been asked about the x coordinate. X coordinate is a point is its distance from... अच्छा कोई बात नहीं संजय, it's okay, completely okay, कोई बात नहीं. Okay guys, so according to this, only 3 people got it right. What is happening? Guys, the x-axis is the distance from y-axis actually. चलो इसको थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर दूं मैं, मुझे लग रहा है बहुत सारे बच्चों को गलत हो जा रहा है. Guys, look at this. When I talk about what is the x coordinate, right? Let's talk about any point, okay? So what is the x coordinate? Let's say this is 3. So guys, what is 3? It is the distance from y-axis, right? This is the y-axis. So any x coordinate is the distance from y-axis. Similarly, the y coordinate is the distance from x-axis, okay? So it's written like this. So इसको ध्यान से रखना बेटा कि the x coordinate is the distance from y-axis and the y coordinate is the distance from x-axis, okay? कोई बात नहीं, दुखी होने की बात ही नहीं है. So we are learning, everybody is learning here, right? दुखी होने की कोई बात नहीं, okay? Okay, got it. Let's go for the question. Let's look at what is happening there on the leaderboard. Leaderboard में तो खलबली मच गई होगी because only 3 people got it right. Let's look at this. Okay, only 3 people. Oh, so the leaderboard is going to change again. Aradhya, Sagyachha, Sarjeet, Sagyachha again, Tripti, Yuvraj, Tiger, Krish, Tiger Baby, Anshu. Guys, let's go for the next question. 11th question, guys. Be very careful while answering these questions because this can take you anywhere. The graph of x is equal to a is the x-axis, the y-axis, a line parallel to y-axis, a line parallel to x-axis. Guys, this is also a very trick question. Just be good, right? Be careful. Try to draw it in a notebook, right? If you can draw such a line, right? Put a is equal to 1, 2, 3 for anything and try to draw the line and you will get the point. You'll get the line, okay? It's very confusing at times. So ध्यान से करोगे तो ही सही होगा. Or your concept should be like crystal clear. तब बहुत तेजी से हो जाएगा. Or you should be very good with making graphs so that you can draw it at the same time and mark the right answer. So y is equal to a. Guys, put the point, right? So that means the x point is only going to change, the y is not going to change. So what should be this line? Let's look at how many of you have answered, how many didn't. Okay, so the times is up. And 6 of you got it right. Yeah, exactly. So y is equal to a is a line parallel to x-axis and passing through a. Okay, very nice. 6 of you got it right. So guys, we are still left with many questions and still this whole leaderboard can change. So Aradhya is there, Sangya is there, Sarjeet, Tripti, Yuvraj. Okay, great. So fastest was Sangya also. Okay guys, let's go for the next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं और 12th क्वेश्चन पे आ गए हम गाइस. वेरी केयरफुल. हाँ, कोई छोटी सी गलती, कोई छोटा सा मिस्टेक आपको फर्स्ट से 10th पे ले जा सकता है. The equation representing the y-axis is, now guys, very cool, right? Try to answer this. The equation representing the y-axis is, Very quick, and actually this is a bit tricky also. y एक्सिस को रिप्रेजेंट करने वाला कौन सा इक्वेशन होता है? So guys, अभी हमने देखा कि y is equal to a was a line parallel to x axis, right? x के पैरेलल थी वो लाइन, लेकिन जब ये y एक्सिस हो जाएगी तो क्या ये y के पैरेलल है? तो you can reject two options directly you can reject two options because y axis is not parallel to y axis, right? It is, you're getting my point what I'm trying to say? Okay, so x is equal to 0. Exactly. Very good, guys. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, guys. 7 of you have got it right. Very nice. Let's go for the next question. Let's go for the next. Let's look at the leaderboard first. बहुत सारी चीजें उलट पुलट हो रही हैं गाइस. y is equal to 0. हाँ जी, जो x एक्सिस है वो y is equal to 0 होता है और जो y एक्सिस है वो x is equal to 0 होता है. ठीक है. ओके, सो आराध्या, संज्ञा, सरजीत, तृप्ति, संज्ञा, युवराज, अंशु, रामेश्वर, टाइगर एंड क्रिश. गाइस, यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट्स राइट ना? मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत सारे बच्चों को इश्यू हो रहा है समझने में, राइट? लेट मी शो यू. लेट मी शो यू थ्रू दिस डायग्राम वेरी क्विकली. So what was the question? When we are talking about the abscissa is the distance, we talked about y is equal to a, guys. This would be the line, right? A line parallel to x-axis, right? That's right. Line parallel to x-axis would be this. X is equal to a. Similarly, when we are talking about when it is a, it is parallel to x-axis. When it is 0, it is equal to x-axis, right? Similar thing. Let's go for the next question. अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ देखते हैं. So now we are at the 13th question, guys. Very quickly, you have to do it. Very quick, very quick. बहुत तेजी से करना है. X coordinate is 0 will lie on. Y coordinate is 0 will lie on. Quickly guys, quickly guys. मुझे लग रहा है लास्ट C point you have to draw and test. ऐसे पॉइंट्स बना के देखो जिनकी x और y सेम है. क्या वो लाइन ओरिजिन से पास करती है? देखो बनाकर. We still haven't got every answer. बहुत इजीली कर सकते थे इसको. Be fast, be fast. Okay, so only 12 of you have answered this question. Yes, D is the right answer. Everything was correct there. None of these was wrong, right? Actually, if you make a line, ध्यान से देखोगे बच्चों अगर, so if you make a line like this, right? ध्यान से देखो. So if the x and y coordinate are equal, so first thing is 0, 0. If you make 1, 1, then 2, 2, the 3, 3. So it's actually a line passing through the origin, right? It is going up like a mountain hill. Okay. So yes, C was also right. You got my point. Abhi samajh mein aaya Arya how C was right? I told you na. If you can draw this line, you'll get the idea, right? If you make any point, this is 0, 0. This is 1, 1. This is 2, 2. This is 3, 3. This is 4, 4. These are all going to be a line passing through the origin. Okay, even -1, -1, -2, -2. All of these will lie on the same line. Okay, let's go for the next question. जल्दी से चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. देखते हैं, पहले तो लीडर बोर्ड देख लेते हैं. So D was right. D was right. Okay, Aman joined late. Okay, Aradhya, Sangya, Sarjeet, Tripti, Sangya. Okay, guys, let's go for the next question. जल्दी से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं. 14th क्वेश्चन, गाइस. 4 क्वेश्चन और हैं इसके बाद, राइट? जस्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट In the given graph, the letter that indicate the point 0, 3 is. The letter that indicate the point 0, 3 is. Guys, I want all the answers very quickly. Just look at the answers. Try to do it. So x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 3. Which is the point? R, S, P or some point Q? Very easy, very easy. Hi Varam, how are you? Okay, so 9 of you got it right. Very, very, very good, guys. Very good. So let's look at the leaderboard. Leaderboard में क्या changes आ रहे हैं? So Aradhya has already gotten 10,000 points. She has already achieved. Okay, so Aradhya, Sangya, Sarjeet, Sangya again, Yuvraj, Tripti, Happy, Rameshwar, Aman, Krish. Right. Let's go for another question, guys. Just look for the 15th question. Right. We are at the end of the session almost. 15वां question कर रहे हैं बेटा. इसके बाद you'll have 16, 17 and 18. The point 34 is at a distance of 4 from the x-axis, 3 from the y-axis, 4 from both axes, 3 from both axes, 3 from x-axis and from y-axis. So end के बाद D option में 4 होगा guys. 3 from x-axis and 4 from y-axis. Okay, Aradhya is a boy. How do you know? Okay, actually, okay, Aradhya. Is it? चलो बेटा देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को कितने बच्चों ने सही किया है. So guys, as I told you, the x-axis is the distance from y-axis and y-axis is the distance from x-axis. Very confusing. आयशा इसीलिए नहीं लिखा क्योंकि आप जब आंसर देखोगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे आंसर को बेटा, so D was actually wrong. The option C is right. Okay, इसीलिए नहीं लिखा. फर्क नहीं पड़ता ना. C is right. If you know the answer, you will mark it C. Okay, this is your sister's account. Okay, got it. Okay, great. So Aradhya, Sangya, Sarjeet, Sangya again, Yuvraj, Tripti, Rameshwar, Aman, Krish and Anshu. So guys, complete change. अभी 3 क्वेश्चन और हैं, देखते हैं. आराध्य ने परफेक्टली लीड बना रखी है. Okay, a point which lies on both the axes is, very quickly, I want all the answers in a second. एक आंसर में चाहिए. The point which lies on both the axes. मुझे 1 सेकंड में इसका आंसर चाहिए guys. I don't want to wait for this long for this question. Very good, Sangya. Very good. Very nice. Yeah, I understood. Okay, you are the man of classics. Okay, got it. Okay, not Aisha. ठीक है अमान, समझ में आ गया ना. सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट था बेटा. तो वो तो आप डी तो ऐसे भी नहीं करने वाले थे. 1.5 for 1 second. Okay, that's very quick. So 11th question. So guys, we are going to end it in like 2-3 minutes. Time's up. So yes, 11 of all of you have answered this right. So I think the leaderboard is not going to change much. So इसके लिए हम leaderboard नहीं देखते, सीधा next question की तरफ चलते हैं. हाँ, leaderboard अभी नहीं बार-बार करेंगे. Tripti only didn't get it. Aman was the fastest. Very cool. Okay, let's go for the next question. This is the 17th question, guys. इसके बाद last question है. ध्यान से करना, ये दो question में बहुत कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. The coordinates of a point at a distance 3 units from the x-axis and 6 units from the y-axis is. 3 units from the x-axis and 6 units from the y-axis is. मैंने अभी बताया कि बहुत कुछ गोल गोल है इसके अंदर, है ना. थोड़े confusing concept है. बिल्कुल हलवा है, बिल्कुल हलवा है. ये चैप्टर बहुत इजी है गाइस, बट इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि आप कॉन्सेप्ट्स में कंफ्यूज ना हो। देखा ना आपने, बहुत सारी चीजें कंफ्यूजिंग है, जैसे कि ये वाला क्वेश्चन। तो अगर आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होते हैं, सो यू कैन डू एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर विदाउट इवन लाइक आपने कभी देखा ना हो, जस्ट बाय दिस आफ्टर दिस क्लास यू कैन गो एंड डू द चैप्टर एंड यू विल गेट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट. Okay, and at the same time I would also like to tell you guys, please like this session. My name is Rohan. I'm your Goprep teacher, maths teacher, and if you like the session, you can revise the chapter anytime you want through these 18 questions. You can fast forward it and revise it. So yes guys, 3 of you only did it right guys. 3 unit from the x-axis. I told you x-axis से जो लिखा जाता है वो y coordinate होता है. Only 3 people got it right. So again leaderboard is going to change. जो 3 यूनिट है बेटा वो एक्स एक्सिस है, यानी कि वो वाई कोऑर्डिनेट है. संज्ञा गॉट इट अप, राइट? संज्ञा गॉट लिटिल बिट अप. ओके, क्रिश गॉट सडनली टॉपर की तरफ पहुंच गया हो. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडेस क्लास. 18th question guys. In the given figure the position of the book of the table may be given by. Guys do it fast. Right, this is the last question. I hope you got it right. Okay, I guess everybody voted, right? So we're waiting for the final 30 seconds and then we are going to see who has won today's Menti Marathon. And guys, all of you are champions because you stayed through all these 18 questions from past 42 minutes, doing these questions, right? Learning the chapter. So that's something very commendable. So a clap for all of you guys. And the one who has won it is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on my side. Okay, so the time's up. Yes, 3-7 was right, and let's look at the leaderboard. So according to the leaderboard, okay, so the clear winner is Radhya. After that there is Sangya, Sarjeet, Sangya again, Krish, Aman, Rameshwar, Yuvraj, Anshu. No, it's okay, Arya. Don't be sorry. So Radhya's won like 14,000 points. That's a lot. C will be correct. Why, Aman? Why do you think so? No. 6, guys, just look at 3-7 was the right answer. Okay. You want to check it? You can check it, guys. Okay, guys. So that's all in today's lesson. We are going to meet again and again, right? I'm coming to you 5 PM straight every day. कल हम डायरेक्ट और इनवर्स वेरिएशन पे एक मिनी मेंटी रखेंगे और परसों 5 बजे फिर से मेंटी मेगा मैराथन रखेंगे हम 5 बजे डायरेक्ट एंड इनवर्स वेरिएशन पे गाइस. So that's the place to be at 5. Okay, if you want to learn maths. Bye bye, take care everybody, we'll see you soon. Congrats Aradhya, congrats. Actually